Our current global models scale without stabilization. This trajectory guarantees systemic fragmentation, unconstrained AI expansion, and runaway economic collapse. Navigating this bottleneck is a structural engineering requirement for civilizations attempting to reach Type 2 status. Scaling without stabilization merely amplifies incoherence. Surviving this process requires the implementation of digital fabrica theory, grounded in the Infinite Symmetry Principle. Coherent existence is constrained by necessity, rather than random initial conditions. Fabric is the terminal coherence object of reality. Spacetime, matter, and mathematics exist only as derivative projections of this non-reducible root. Defining fabric as a terminal object provides a hard ontological floor. This prevents the infinite regress and structural instability inherent in our current foundations. The admissibility gate provides the three non-negotiable laws every engineered system must pass, from hardware to social governance. The first gate enforces coherence. No system may possess a global state without invariance. Incoherent or fragmented states are rejected before they can execute. The second gate enforces observer invariance. It deletes identity-dependent truths and prohibits privileged epistemic classes from bypassing symmetrical law. The third gate enforces the infinite stabilization formula. Unbounded recursion, such as runaway AI loops or infinite economic leverage, is physically forbidden. Violating any single constraint triggers automatic systemic exclusion. Institutional capture and collapse are the mathematical consequences of ignoring these laws. These laws are physically enforced by the Cauchy Pasev field, which dampens identity-linked drift to filter the admissible state space. Digital fabrica theory translates these physical constraints into a 5-pillar civilizational stack. It utilizes Ramanujan topologies for partition-resistant networking and invariant-preserving rewrite systems to halt policy drift in governance. This stack mandates Zeta-Weighted economic scarcity to ban infinite leverage, cap AI optimization, and anchor all state transitions to a constitutional runtime. This runtime enforces structural sanity. By preventing the systemic fragmentation that destroys coordination, the system secures the stability required for individual agency to exist. The Symmetry program operates as a disciplined engineering framework defined by testable admissibility laws and physical constraints. We are verifying these laws through the long baseline coherence enforcement test. A single instance of identity-dependent physics falsifies the entire principle. Governance and reality are now addressed as constraint-driven engineering problems. Civilization has 3 options: build, enforce, or falsify. Current capital structures rely on infinite leverage and unbounded speculation, divergent patterns that violate stabilization laws. Institutional and sovereign infrastructure must now align with DFT constraints to survive this mathematical necessity.